Hi there, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Martin Mabifa, and if this isn't your first time, thank you for watching again. If it's your first time, you're very welcome. I give the hottest gist in the technology and the startup space. So why don't you subscribe and join the community? Now for the top headlines. Microsoft expands EU data localization efforts to cover system logs. CES 2024. Everything reviewed so far from Nvidia and Sony to Rabbit's Pocket AI and the weirdest reveals. Is India done with crypto? ByteDance is shutting down its music streaming service Resso in India. Google Cloud rolls out new generative AI products for retailers. Italian startup The Orbit, offering logistics services for satellite and space operations, has raised $110 million in a Series C round led by Marubeni Corporation, with additional investment expected in H1 2023. The Orbit's current valuation is around $500 million. The company provides last-mile satellite delivery, mission control as a service, and space waste management. It aims to expand in these areas with a vision to create a logistic network connecting Mars, the asteroid belt, the Moon, and the Earth. The Orbit claims its operational model saves 40% on cost and 85% on time by grouping customers together for bulk procurement around launches and services. Microsoft has completed the second phase of its EU data boundary for the Microsoft Cloud rollout, focusing on data localization within the European Union. This effort aims to address regulatory concerns regarding where digital information is processed and stored, aligning with EU data protection laws. The update extends localization to include all personal data encompassing automated system logs. Microsoft faced scrutiny from EU data protection authorities in recent years, particularly regarding data outflows from its cloud products. The tech giant's data localization strategy is gradually implemented, with the final phase planned for December 31st, 2024. Augmental is developing a smart dental retainer that enables voiceless communication, providing control over devices through head and tongue movements. The device uses a gyroscope in the retainer, allowing users to move their heads to control the cursor on smartphones, laptops, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Augmental's upcoming features include silent speech, capturing nuanced tongue movement to decipher intended words, and bone conduction for immediate feedback on interactions. Currently, the data has around 20 users, with plans to make it available in the US this year, aiming to assist people with disabilities and potentially cater to the general population as voice interfaces become more prevalent. Brazilian startup Gabriel is addressing safety concerns in Latin America by integrating smart cameras and computer vision into routine police operations. Founders Eric Koza and Otávio Costa Miranda, who returned to Brazil in 2019, identified a discrepancy between the high number of private CCTV systems and the low public camera count in the region. To address this, Gabriel installs proprietary smart cameras known as chameleons in subscribers' homes and businesses to monitor public spaces. The company recently secured $7 million in funding in a round co-led by Qualcomm Ventures and Stella, with plans to enhance its technology for broader use. CES 2024 in Las Vegas kicked off with major announcements from companies like Nvidia, LG, Sony, and Samsung. The event features unusual gadgets and gizmos, including binoculars with birdwatching AI, voice-absorbing muzzles, pay-as-you-go bathroom access, and an aesthetic-focused router. Among the standout products, Bregg's $2,000 earbuds deliver on audio perfection. Augmental aims to create accessible interfaces for voiceless communication, like I mentioned earlier, and No Watch offers a purposeful AI-powered fitness tracker. Hyundai showcased its eVTOL aircraft, while Mobin, a Hyundai spin-off, presented a delivery robot navigating stairs. Walmart introduced AI-powered tools including augmented reality, drones, and an AR social commerce platform. OneCourt debuted a system enabling blind individuals to view the position of sport players and the ball in near real time. The Rabbit Arrow virtual assistant stands out for allowing users to perform tasks without pulling out their phones. London-based insurtech startup Hyper has raised $73 million in a Series B funding round led by Battery Ventures, with participation from existing investors Highland Europe and Andreessen Horowitz. Hyper focuses on property casualty insurance, offering decision intelligence for pricing through its HX Renew software. The platform helps insurers make firm pricing decisions using predictive data, integrating various sources and workflows with automation and machine learning. The funding will support the company's expansion into the US market, with plans to open a New York office and double its headcount to over 200. Hyper claims to have experienced tenfold sales growth and profitability with clients including Aviva. If you're already getting value from this video, do well to like and subscribe to let us know. Indian venture capitalists initially excited about the potential of crypto are facing challenges as cryptocurrency prices decline and regulatory restrictions persist. Cryptocurrency regulations from the Reserve Bank of India and new policies, such as a 30% tax on crypto transfers, have impacted the market. Indian exchange Y0X, which possessed over $43 billion in 2021, saw volumes collapse to $1 billion as of last year. Wow. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das recently affirmed the regulator's unchanged position on cryptocurrencies, expressing concern about their lack of underlying value. The recent delisting of global crypto apps from Apple's Indian App Store has added to the challenges faced by the Indian crypto startups. ByteDance is shutting down its music streaming service Resso in India as well at the end of this month, focusing on expanding TikTok music globally. Resso, active since 2020, was one of ByteDance's last properties in India following the TikTok ban in 2020. The Resso app has been removed from app stores and new subscriptions cannot be purchased, but existing users can still access the service until January the 31st. ByteDance clarified that TikTok Music won't launch in India. Resso was also operational in Indonesia and Brazil, with ByteDance launching TikTok Music in those markets last July, leading to Resso's shutdown in September 2023. Google Cloud has introduced new generative AI products to help retailers personalize online shopping experiences and streamline back-office operations. The conversational commerce solution lets retailers embed AI-powered agents for natural language conversations with shoppers. It uses sophisticated models such as PaLM and can be fine-tuned and customized with retailers' data. The catalog and content enrichment toolset, powered by generative AI models like PaLM and Imagen, automatically generates product descriptions, metadata, and categorization suggestions from as little as a single product photo. Additionally, Google introduced a retail-specific distributed cloud edge device to reduce IT costs and resource investment around retail generative AI. NoWatch, a smartwatch alternative, focuses on providing a respite from constant notifications and fitness goals, aiming to bring calm and mindfulness. Its founders have introduced the NoWatch Chronos Insert, which turned the smartwatch into a traditional watch, offering a blend of aesthetics and health tracking. The Chronos Insert boasts a 20-year battery life and are replaceable. NoWatch uses AI to learn wearers' biorhythms and sends personalized vibrations to manage stress effectively. The company emphasizes users' data rights, giving them full control over data storage, sharing, and usage. Munich-based startup Finn, offering a platform for new car subscriptions, has raised $110 million in a Series C round led by Planet First Partners. The round values Finn at $658 million. Finn manages 25,000 subscriptions in Germany and the US and plans to use the funding to expand its tech and reach with a focus on more electric vehicles and cars-based tools. The company aims to have 80% of its car inventory electric by 2028. Finn has raised a total of $250 million in equity and $1 billion in debt. Do well to like, share, and subscribe, and comment to let us know your thoughts. And that's it for today. See you soon.